everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to make an origami cup. First we will take a square paper, then we will fold it in half and unfold it. Then we will fold the sides to meet the center line like this. After we have done so, we will fold this in half and unfold it. Then we will fold the side to meet the center line. After we have done so, we will unfold this and we will fold the side like this. Then we will fold it like this and unfold it and again fold it like this. Then we will again unfold it and we will fold this corner like this. We will unfold it and we will make the fold much better like this. After we have done so, we will unfold this part and we will cut out this part. Now after we have cut it, we will cut these lines like this. Like this we will cut all the lines, not this line, only these lines. Now after we have done it, we will cut out only this part. Now after we have done so, we will write something on this side. We can write anything or we can draw anything, any designs. Now as you can see, I have already drawn a design like this, and then we will glue this part. We will glue this part with this. Now we will wait till it's dry. Now as you can see, it's completely dry. Now we will fold this part like this. Now we will paste it like this. We will do all the one. Now as you can see, I have already glued this, so I will just paste now. Like this we will paste all the parts. Now we will again wait till it's dry. Now as you can see, it's mostly dry. Now we will cut these parts to give it a perfect shape. Like this. Now you can see how cute and beautiful this looks. Now we will make its handle. We will take a 6 cm into 6 cm piece of paper. Then we will fold it in half like this. Then we will again fold it like this. After we have done, we will glue this part. And wait until it's dry. It takes a few time and we will have to hold it till it's dry or else it will open out. Now we will glue all these parts which are open like this. Now after it is dry, we will fold these parts just a bit like this, and then we will paste these two parts. We will glue these two parts and we will paste it like this. Now we will glue this part and we will paste it here like this. Now we will have to hold it for some time to make it dry. Now as you can see, it's quite dry now. Now we can hold it like this. You can see how beautiful and cute this has become. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe, share, comment, and don't forget to like. Thank you.